Now let us study about units. Okay. So what is a unit? A unit is an arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement of a quantity which is accepted internationally, is called unit of the quantity. Okay. For example, if we take a rope here, its length may be 10 meters. Okay. And then so 10 meters means we can say it's 10 times 1 meter. Okay. So 1 meter is constant everywhere in the world. Okay. So they accept it universally. They accept it all over the world. Okay. So that's an unit. Now let us see the different types of units there. So there are two types of units. One we say fundamental units. Other one is derived units. Okay. Fundamental units means what? The units in which the fundamental quantities are measured. Okay. They are called as fundamental units. Okay. Example. So length, mass, time are fundamental quantities. Okay. So length is measured in meters. So the unit of length is meter. Then the unit of mass is kilogram. And then the unit of time is second. Okay. Then next will come to derived units. So derived units means what? The units of measurement of all other physical quantities which can be obtained by a suitable multiplication or division of powers of fundamental units. Okay. Example, area is equal to length into breadth. So area formula is length into breadth. Length is measured in meters. Breadth is also measured in meters. So meter into meter will give us meter squared. So the unit of area is meter square. Okay. So by knowing the formula, you can get the derived units. Okay. So derived units are coming from the fundamental units only. Okay. Next we'll see the different types of systems that we use in the world. Now let us study the different types of measurement systems. Okay. The first one we have is FPS system. Go ahead, sit. So FPS system stands for foot, pound and second. Okay. So this is a British system. You can see FPS stands for foot, okay, pound, then second. So FPS comes from. So British people are using this. Even also we use it. See, when you want to measure the length of a room, okay, when you build a house, we say 10 foot into 20 feet or 10 into 10 feet. Okay. So it's useful for measuring there. Pound and second are still used there. Okay. So even other countries also they use it. Pound still. Okay. Then next we say CG system. That's centimeter, gram and second. So length is measured in centimeters, mass is measured in kilograms, and time is measured in seconds. So that's how you get CG system. Centimeter, gram and second. Okay. So in the FPS system, length is measured foot, mass measured in pound, and time is measured in seconds. Okay. So the CG system is also Gaussian system. Okay. Next we see MK system. Okay. MK system stands for meter, kilogram, second. That means length is measured in meters, mass measured in kilograms, and then time is measured in seconds. Okay. So this is what is called as MK system. If you notice that MK system and the CG system are what is metric systems or decimal systems. Okay. But the FA system is not a metric system. Okay. So these are the different types of systems. Okay. So some countries use this FA system, some will use CG system, some use MK system. Okay. And different scientists in the same country also use the same different systems also. Okay. So for example, when the US sent a spacecraft to Mars, okay, one of the scientists, one team of scientists used this CG system, okay, or MK system. One of the scientists used the MK system. Other scientists used the FA system. Okay, so they got confused and the satellite didn't reach the Mars itself. It vanished somewhere. So by what happens, they got confused in calculations. Okay, and everywhere in the world people get confused. So everywhere in the world nowadays we don't use these three systems. We use something called as SA system. Okay, that's a form of MK system only. Okay, it's much more advanced. It's more easy to follow. Okay, so we will study the SA system in the next video.